think they've gone for a walk. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look inside. Is that one of those films where you turn up and there's someone here? Yeah, look, they're just bunts. But you have the door open at night. Oh, look, hooks as well. Yeah, I think it's the people we saw. But why would they be going back down there?
It's a big group of them.
Spooky, eh? I think we've stumbled into the Blair Witch Project. Where were those campers? Where were they?
Don't know.
Jenny, are you scared?
No, I'm just totally strong.
Looks she's scared really. Where are they? Can't see no one. Ooh. Gosh. What's this out of then? Predator. A massive log, yeah. This is a very, very big tree that's toppled over. Yeah, that. You can see them growing out. That's pretty thick, isn't it? Yeah, that film with Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yeah. He hides under these trees, doesn't he, when the predator's chasing him? Oh, yeah. And he has to cover himself in mud. God, we've seen all the films today. Friday the 13th, Blair Witch, and Predator. Not bad going. We're not even in Hollywood yet.
Oh, no. Is that Friday the 13th? The people with the axe man after them?
Yeah, and they're camping. Yeah. Bit like that up there. Could also be Rambo, couldn't it? But, what have you found, Jenny? Look at that one. What does it say?
Spruce forests like this one, wind is the most common natural disturbance, creating open patches that provide light for new trees to germinate and grow. The region's farther inland is fire, while low intensity fire east of the Cascade is occurred frequently over time. Coastal forests start to burn only once every 700 years.
And this is the side of the cliff-ish. Looks like the side of